Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, so today we kind of got a two-part video here. I had a question from a viewer named Brandon, and his question was, will the ABV refractometer or meter, whatever way you want to say it, will it work on after something is mixed, like say the apple pie, and will it work? I really didn't know, so I looked around online, tried to find out. I really couldn't find out any information, so I figured we're going to finish up our apple pie whiskey, and I was going to cut it down with the apple juice. It's a perfect time. Maybe we'll do a little experiment and see what we can find out. Okay. So, okay, there's, like always, there's 5 things that you can really do to help this channel out. Number 1, if you haven't done so, please subscribe. It really helps us out. Hit that notification bell down there so that you don't miss anything. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. Share us with your friends, get the word out, and leave a comment, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Okay? Okay, so we're going to do a little experiment here. We're going to take one milliliter in each one of these cups. Okay. Cup 1. We're going to add a half a milliliter of water in our control. And then a half a milliliter of apple juice in that one. We'll give them a little stir. I've really grown accustomed to using a refractometer because it's so quick and easy. Okay, so we're going to try our control first and see what kind of reading we get. I'm reading at 38%. So that's 38%. Write that down. Alright, so now the exact same thing except for apple juice instead of let's see, my readings are off. I think because I'm reading 52%. 52%. That's way off. Okay. Huh. So I am assuming that you cannot use the refractometer. Well, let me try one more thing. So let me, and We're just trying a little bit of soda, and basically because I'm looking at about 48. So I am assuming that the sugar that's in the apple juice and in soda is messing with the refractometer. So it would not be safe to say that you could use this for measuring the alcohol level in a mixed drink like apple pie moonshine. Okay, so that's good to know. That was so Brandon, I think that's your answer, that no, it does not work for a mixed drink. Okay, so the next thing what I want to do is I'm going to finish up our apple pie whiskey, and like I said in the last video that okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to taste each of our cut jars here of our apple pie whiskey, and I've kind of tasted them before as we distilled it, and they all tasted pretty good to me. But I'm gonna go through and taste each one. Let's see. We'll start right here in the middle. I mean, it's very good. A little hot yet. I think I'll be using them all, to be honest with you. And since we won't be able to, I wanted to cut it down with apple juice. Let me taste that one again. I'm going to cut it down with apple juice, and so since I ain't going to be able to use the hydrometer because the sugar in the apple juice is going to mess it up a little bit, I'm going to do it by taste. And, you know, we'll go from there. I'm going to use everything except for that last jar. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. So let's get these put into our I think what I'll do get it good and mixed up. We'll get us a starting point here. We're running right close to 100 proof. Okay, so I'll put half in there. A little bit more. Pretty close. And what we're going to do is we're going to put apple juice in it, and we're going to go by taste. I've never done it this way before. Still got a real good burn to it. Let's get a little more apple juice. Nice color. Sure does taste fantastic. Still got a real good burn to it. I'm gonna just put some on Refractometer just because I can. I mean, according to this, it's still showing 45%. I really can't trust that. But taste-wise, now if I was an old-time moonshiner, I could shake the bead. I'm not that skilled in that. Alright, just a little bit more apple juice, and I'm going to leave it at that. I'm guessing she's right around 80%, probably 75%. So I'm going to leave it at that. So let's get a little bit of oak. That's a ½ ounce. ½ ounce. I'm gonna go a quarter ounce more. Alright, so we put 3/4 ounce of oak in each one. So, what'll go on is that'll probably stay in there a week or so, and we'll check the color, make sure the color is right, and then we'll take coffee filters and pour this through a coffee filter into the bottles. And that will get rid of all the oak chips and stuff. And I think she'll be ready to go. Alright. I want to thank you for coming by. This has been a fun project. Hope everybody enjoyed it. It's a little bit different. So far the taste is there. And I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time.